Greetings from Rajiv Edu Astro, our YouTube channel on astrology, a divine blessing. In the series of revision videos, revision 1C will deal with Yoga Karakas. Yoga Karaka. Yoga Karak planets confer fame, honor, dignity, financial prosperity, political success, and reputation. Any planet can become Yogarak when it is a common lord of certain houses. We will see in the next slides as to what we mean by certain houses. The extent to which it produces a yoga depends on the strength which it gains by virtue of Shadbal, 6 types of strength which we have already seen in previous videos: conjunction, aspect, and position or occupation. Yoga Karakas. Let us now see the rules. 1. A planet owning both a Kendra quadrant, that is angle house 1, 4, 7 and 10, and a Trikona trine becomes a Yoga Karak. 1, 5 and 9 are trines. How do we see it? This is possible only in the case of Mars, Saturn and Venus. For Katak, that is Kark, Lagna, Cancer rising, Mars becomes Yogarak as it is the lord of 5th and 10th. How's that? So write 4 here. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 1. So Mars is the ruler of 5 and 10 houses, that is 8 and 1 zodiac signs. Then in Singular, that is Leo sign, 5, 6, 7, Mars is the lord of 4th, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 1. So 1 angle house, 1 Trikona house. Similarly, you can check with Tula rising, that is Saturn owns 4th and 5th houses. Tula is Libra 7, 8, 9, so this is 10. Rulership is with Saturn, this is 11. So 4th and 5th, both houses have Saturn as ruler. Similarly, with Vrishabh Taurus rising, Saturn is 9th and 10th lord, 9th lord as well as 10th lord. You can practice it. Venus becomes Yogarak for Makar. Capricorn rising, if 10 is written here, Venus owns 5th here and 10th houses. And for Aquarius rising, Kumbh, Lagna, Venus owns the 4th and the 9th houses. Yoga Karakas, rule 2. When a Kendra Adhipati, angular lord or Kendra lord becomes associated with Trikona Adhipati, trine lord, 1, 5 and 9 houses are trine houses, then also a Rajyog is caused. Between these two lords in association, when one which is not blemished by the other's ownership, such as 3, 6, 8, or by associating the lords of 3, 6, 8, it becomes a functional Rajya. Shall we see? Suppose this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Suppose there is a connection between these two, 4th and 5th houses, and Jupiter, lord of 4th, and Saturn, lord of 5th, are associated. Say they are in the same house. A yoga is there. So this is Yogkari. But if one of these is connected to 6 or 8 or 12, this yoga will not form. And in this case, this is connected to 6th. So this is 6th house lord. So that is why the blemish will be there. No doubt? This is how you can see for all angles, their lords. as also for trines. The most powerful Raj Yoga could be caused by the association of the lords of 9th and 10th, like this. Combination of the lords of the 4th and 5th, 7th and 5th, 10th and 5th, 4th and 9th, 7th and 9th, and 10th and 9th is very powerful and can overcome blemish caused by other malefic lordships. 3. When 9th and 10th lords exchange places, each becomes a Raj Yoga Karak. So when we have, suppose this is Libra, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 and this is 4. Ruler of 3 is Mercury and ruler of 4 is Moon. So if Moon is here and Mercury is here, they have exchanged their places. So this becomes Raj Yoga Karaka, signifies Raj Yoga. And when the 9th lord is in the 10th house or the 10th in the 9th house, same, but 9th lord in the 10th house. This also is Raj Yoga Karaka. Or we say that Moon is in the 9th house. In both cases, this is Raj Yoga Karaka. When the 9th and 10th lords fully aspect each other, they will give Raj Yoga. Suppose Moon is here, Mercury is placed here, and Moon is placed here. This also will be a Raj Yoga Karaka. Moon can be here, Mercury can be here, that is not an issue. But this is how Raj Yoga is seen in the chart according to the rule. Next, besides the above Raj Yogas, certain yogas will be caused due to position of certain planets in certain situations. Let us see how. Jupiter and the Moon when mutually aspected. Jupiter here, Moon here. Jupiter here, Moon here. And they are in mutual quadrants. Will bestow fame and honor, and this yoga is called the Gaj Kesari Yoga. Yoga Karaks. The extent of a Raj Yoga depends upon the inherent strength it has gained as a result of ownership, conjunction, position, and aspect of the two planets that cause a yoga. And the planets causing the yoga are within 12 degrees of each other. Let us see here. Ascendant Lord Jupiter in the 4th house, which is its own sign. So, ownership, it owns 4th house. Then conjunction. Is it conjunct with some other planet? No. Then aspect. It has 4th aspect on Moon. And Moon is its own sign. Position. It has another aspect on Mars, the 9th aspect. And Mars is also in its own sign. This is also. So this shows the strength. Suppose Moon was here. So this was 6. And Jupiter was aspecting Moon, Moon was aspecting Jupiter. So this would have been different in strength. Now that this is the same sign, which is the sign of Moon, it has a different connotation altogether. And their degrees should not be more than 12 degrees from each other. Each planet has degrees 0 to 30, you remember. In measuring the yoga or even the general nature of the horoscope, the consideration should be either the ascendant or the Moon, whichever is stronger. Let us see here. Here the ascendant is Saturn, which is in its own sign, Aquarius. So this is the strong ascendant. So we must consider, if you consider the chart, you will consider this as ascendant. And in another chart, suppose moon is in 2. So you make this moon as ascendant. Moon is exalted in sign of Taurus. So this will also make a strong chart. This is how we must go about seeing whichever is stronger. This brings us to the end of the final video on revision 1, that is revision 1C. So we have 1ABC. Please keep revising, subscribe, like, share, and do press the bell icon for updates. See you with the next revision video set soon.